Hi guys, so look at my hair. This is a review. My hair is super smooth and super straight. LED chemicals. It's effective. I second my new hair. Really here. It's my newest. This is the second newest. This is the second newest. First newest. Look at his hair, super smooth. See? Hello, bye. She's studying. So guys, today's is Maratay ngayon. Assignment. Kasi wala mo ko na. Sunday na tomorrow. Ay na, nasundo ka. Bakit? Ayan. Science store. Tsaka ito yung science notebook ko. Look at yung naman. Ayan, first page. Second page. Second page. Fourth page. Fifth page. Sixth page. Seventh page. Oh my god. Mentality. You can try me. So let's go put it down. Ballerina cappuccina.
Maria kay kuwang gahong order, awang balidusin ko tunan mo.